Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, welcome back to my IT tutorial video. Today, I want to show and tell you how to make configuration with the simulation on Cisco. But the first, I will show the logical topology. I get this topology. Yeah. Okay. And after that, you should to make VLAN first in the switch to the two VLAN. The first is VLAN 10 connect to the PC 0, and then VLAN 20 connect to all laptop. And then for this PC connect to router. Okay, and then you should make the dynamic host configuration for in the router 1 and then router 4, and then you the next make a routing to connect all router, and then you uh, should to connect all these device, connect switch to the PC1, and then for the add, you should to make add task here, this name of office second and office 1. Okay, let's see. Yes, you can click this, and then there is two office. This office 1, you can see there is two router in the right side, and in the left side there's a two router also with the switch, and then there is a cable copper, yeah, crossover, and then here we make with cable straight through, and then this console cable if you want a configuration in device. You choose this, but now I'm not using console cable. And then here there is two PC, and then two laptop. The office 2, there's one router, and then one PC. Okay, for the first, go to the office, and you should to make the go to the switch, and then you make switch port. You make the switch port in interface fast Ethernet 1. Yeah. Wait. You make, yeah, switch port access VLAN 10 in the fast Ethernet 1, and then for the hostname is switch 1, and you enter the access VLAN 20 to fast Ethernet 2, and then 3, and where you can connect the router. Yeah, we using here router is, yes, this router. It's called, okay, because the router using gigabit Ethernet or fast Ethernet, so you to connect switch to router should to using also the interface gigabit Ethernet. Yeah, we make the trunk in the gigabit Ethernet 1. Can, so yes, already. So after that, go to the router. In the router 1, you wait, you make the name, and then you make the interface gigabit Ethernet 0 for the IP address is 10.10.10.1 with this subnet mask, yeah, 24, and then you make encapsulation for the VLAN 10 and 20. Yes, you only the first no shutdown gigabit Ethernet 1, and then you make this for the VLAN 10 IP address, and then for the VLAN 20. And after that, you make yeah the HTTP pool like the previous I tell this command the network default, yeah, check for the correct configuration, and the last you make a router RIP version 2 for the network router local, yeah, the router, and then the end device. Okay, here you go to the router first and then make configuration, yeah, from the static to DHCPS. I'm already get the IP address from DHCP here in the PC one, in the laptop one, same. Wait. Port on first. Yeah, here. Okay, and after that, static. Yeah, make DHCP. So, oh, cannot. Wait. But here, yeah, in this router, yes, you already get Ethernet. I think there's something wrong, guys, here. Okay, no problem. We next to the router second, and then make like this. You make interface for gigabit Ethernet 0 connect to the router 1, and then for the internet gigabit Ethernet chips 1, you connect to the router 3, and then make the router RIP here. Okay, we go to the router third, and the router third using yeah, you make for the gigabit Ethernet 0 connect to the router 4, and then for the gigabit Ethernet interface 1 you connect to the router second, and then the last gigabit Ethernet, yeah, gigabit Ethernet second, you connect to the router office second, and this the router RIP you make, yeah, for the all IP address that you already make. And okay, before we check the IP route, go to the last router here. Yeah, you make the Ethernet interface gigabit 0 connect to the router third. Wait. And then so you make for the interface gigabit Ethernet 1, yeah, connect to the PC 1. And don't forget make IP DHCP pool for make a DHCP in PC 1. Okay, we see the DHCP already get from the router 4, and we check first. We check the, yeah, show IP route. Okay, this connect uh, in the local router, and here run for the gateway. Wait. Route, yeah, connect to all RIP routing in this area. Also, the second area, and also the router second already connect all to router 1, 3, 4, and the office in all device. Also in the router 3, all already connect. Yes, that should can connect first in the last router. Connect to the all router and all device correctly. And the last, we go to the office second. Yeah, this is the cable you can see, yeah, using a crossover. Yeah, in the router 4. you make configuration. The first configuration is the gigabit Ethernet 0 go to the church router in first office area, and then the interface gigabit 1 is connect to IP for end device, and then for gigabit IP DHCP full VLAN. So and then route IP using the first two, and then this connect all device, and then network device and in device in first area, and this the PC second. Yeah, this PC only one, only for this area, and then already get the IP from the HTTP. Okay, so maybe we do ping first. Do ping for, yeah. Wait. Okay, for the root, yeah, the routers we can, and we ping to the IP. Oh, unreachable. What you can do? Lost 4 here still. Yeah. So maybe you should to make tunnel to this. Reach this. Okay. Can if office 1 we can check, yeah, and maybe the PC 1, and then you can ping the PC 1. Yeah, you can reach, and then maybe for the, yeah, in the second you cannot because unreachable. Oh, you can. Here you can connect it. Okay. Uh, we already configuration, and then yeah, correctly checking the ping and trace. You can make can check tracer just root for tracer. Yeah, this the hope, and then tracer for C1. Yeah, already gets. Okay, all correctly. So we already in the end of this configuration. Thank you very much for the viewers already accompany me to configuration the video tutorial for this month simulation on physical. For the first, we configuration with the physical mode. Okay, maybe this all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.